Today I'll be changing temperature sending unit, 2004 Saturn ion, 2.2 ecotec. I changed the thermostat, and it's not the problem. It's the temperature sending unit. So right down here between these two hoses at the back, the two heater hoses, right in between them, you see right there. There's a plug right there. There's a clip on it. Just knock it off like that. And it's a 19mm socket, deep socket. I've got it right here. So we'll go down inside here. Okay, I've got my 19mm socket on the temperature sending unit, and you gotta kind of get it underneath here and get it loose enough here. I'll take it off. And then I'll just take it up my hand. Okay, here's your temperature sending unit. Now the way to test them, if it's not working, if you're getting a code that temperature not reaching maximum temperature, when you got your idiot light on the dash, and I already changed the thermostat, so that's not what the problem is. Okay, if you just unplug the plug at the end of the sensor here, and if the fan goes on, that means this is bad. So I'll be replacing this right back where it came from. Okay, thanks for listening. Subscribe if you'd like, and I'll speak to you on the next video. Thanks for listening.